Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so I'm going to be keeping this video very simple and short, guys. Okay, so I'll just go straight to the point. All right, so for the setting of this wonderful strategy, you first of all you click on this icon here, the N icon over here, this one right here. So after clicking on the icon, the first indicator we have here is the moving average. This one right here. Right, you click on it. These are the parameters. The period is 20, the shift is 0, exponential. Alright, the method exponential, apply to close. Under this tab we have 4 pixels, the color is blue. After that you click on done. Okay. Now for the indicator window one, the first indicator here is the average true range. Okay, so these are the parameters. The period is 14, right? The period is 14. Under this tab we have 2 pixels, the color is blue. After that you click on done. Then the last indicator here is the relative strength index. Okay, click on it. The period is 1, right? The apply to is close. The style is 2 pixels, and then you can see here the color is blue. Then the levels, you make it 90 and 10. Okay, you click on it and change it to 90 and 10. And after that you click on done, you go back, you have a screen like this. Alright, so this is how the strategy works. Alright, so first of all, you are to allow this average true range here, the line, to get to the 90 level over here. Right, once it gets to the 90 level, it means that price has gotten to the overbought level. And what is expected when price is at the overbought level, when it at overbuy, it's expected to start going down. Okay, so that is where the opportunity will come in. Okay, so now what you do is to wait for it to start reversing. All right, that spike, and now it's about to reverse, right? So now you wait for it to cross below the blue line. Right, so once it crosses below the blue line, you have to go in for 5 candles. Okay, 5 candles, you are out. All right, then you wait for the next opportunity to present itself. All right, so this is how simple the strategy is. Let me check. So you can see, guys, on crash 500, it has touched the 10 level. Now you can see that spike here. The next thing now is to wait for it to cross above the blue line, and then you go in for your 5 candles, you are out. Okay, so you can see this is a very simple strategy, a very simple but powerful strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, it's as simple as ABCD. All right, so make sure you apply everything I've just showed you in this video now, and you'll be good to go. Okay, you'll be able to grow your $5 account, your $10 account, and your $20 account. All right, so that is pretty much everything on this one. Okay, like I said earlier, I'll be keeping the video very simple and short. Okay, so for the new viewers, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, this is what I do here on my channel. I post powerful strategy like this from time to time, and I also sometimes showed you price action strategy, and also I do analysis on my channel. I show you how I do my analysis personally in order to get profitable entry. Okay, so if this is what you are interested in and want to be getting from time to time, do make sure you subscribe to my channel, and we will be making this money together. Okay, so that is pretty much everything I have for you guys in this video. All right, so I'll be closing the curtain now. See you guys in the next video.